क्या मेडिटेटिव टेक्निक्स या ब्रीदिंग टेक्निक्स डिप्रेशन या सुसाइडल थॉट्स में भी हेल्प कर सकते हैं अवॉइड करने के लिए?
Of course, that breathing and Sudarshan Kriya really help them elevate their energy levels, drop out all the negative energy, negative tendencies, negative thoughts.
लोग कहते हैं 90s वाला प्यार बहुत अमेजिंग था और यहाँ पे हुकअप कल्चर हो रहा है. लाइक व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन दिस?
But what they are thinking is that कि ये sex करके या partner change करके I will attain that happiness. When you start your journey into spirituality, when you start meditating, you then realize that you are actually made up of happiness. It is like a melody searching for sweetness outside.
At the same time, he played a major role in Ayodhya. So could you elaborate on that? क्या रोल था गुरुजी का, श्री श्री रविशंकर जी का in resolving the entire conflict?
Very instrumental in resolving this conflict which was 500 years old.
Hi everybody, welcome to my podcast. आज का पॉडकास्ट बहुत ही स्पेशल है क्योंकि हम बात करने वाले हैं मेडिटेशन एंड स्पिरिचुअलिटी के ऊपर. एंड आज है हमारे साथ संदीप भैया. संदीप भैया, वेलकम टू माय पॉडकास्ट.
Thank you, Megha. So good to be here.
सेम, आई एम सो एक्साइटेड फॉर दिस पॉडकास्ट. आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
हाँ.
Excited about it and I'm sure it will reach out to many people.
आई एम श्योर अबाउट दैट टू. सो हाउ इज योर लाइफ?
Life is awesome.
व्हाट इज ऑसम टू यू?
Awesome means busy being happy and happy being busy.
एंड हाउ डू यू अटेन दैट?
How to attain that? Well, I have my journey into spirituality has really helped me to attain that. I keep my mind 100% occupied. I keep my mind 100% empty, and I keep my hands 100% into action.
Okay, that's a little complicated.
Yeah.
So संदीप भैया, आजकल ना ये स्पिरिचुअलिटी और मेडिटेशन बज़वर्ड बन गया है.
Yeah.
हर जना स्पिरिचुअल बनना चाहता है, मेडिटेशन में आना चाहता है.
Yeah.
बट ये सिंपल भी है बट ये कॉम्प्लिकेटेड भी है.
Yeah.
मेडिटेशन होता क्या है? लाइक मैंने मेडिटेशन करा व्हेन आई वाज इन माय कॉलेज. फर्स्ट टाइम आई डिड द आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग कोर्स एंड वी डिड अ ब्रीदिंग टेक्निक एंड इट हैज ट्रांसफॉर्म मी. बट जब
Yeah.
मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स को बोलते हैं ना मेडिटेशन करो, दे से डांसिंग इज मेडिटेशन फॉर मी और पेंटिंग इज मेडिटेशन फॉर मी. व्हाट इज मेडिटेशन?
Yeah. So it is a very good question. Now let us understand two aspects. One is that meditation is that state of being where your mind becomes quieter.
ओके.
Now you have to understand that you cannot handle the mind at the level of the mind. For example, अगर मैं आपको बोलूं कि आंखें बंद करके just think about a monkey, right? Just think about a monkey.
ओके.
And I'm saying, but don't think about a monkey with a red hat.
Obviously, I think about a monkey with a red hat.
Yes.
Yes.
So the more you are told not to do things, yes, your mind will keep doing those things more.
Yeah, you're right.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So that is, what happens is, at the level of the mind, whatever you resist, it will persist. इसका मतलब ये है कि भाई अगर मैं आपको बोलूं कि उस इंसिडेंट को भूल जाओ या उस इंसान को भूल जाओ जिसने आपको धोखा दिया है, you forget that person, forget that person, forget that person. What are you actually doing?
You are remembering that person again and again.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So mind और body के जो principles हैं वो different हैं. Now at the level of the body, if I want to push something, what will happen? It will just go away.
Yeah, you just have to push it.
Right? I just push this sofa away, put some force, it will go away, isn't it?
Yeah, action is required.
Action is required. If I put some force, it will go away. If I put some effort, it will go away at the level of the body. At the level of the mind, if I start putting effort to do something, it just comes closer and closer.
Oh.
So if I want to forget something and if I'm putting a lot of effort to forget that, actually I'm not able to forget that. If I'm putting a lot of effort to overcome some bad incident of my life or some breakup of my life,
Yeah.
I want to forget that incident, I want to move over that incident, and I'm doing a lot of effort to do it, it just stays back and haunts me more and more.
So you are saying कि अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेरा ब्रेकअप हुआ है और मुझे अपने पार्टनर को या वो इंसिडेंट को फॉरगेट करना है एंड आई हैव टू मूव ऑन, अगर मैं बार बार सोचती रहूंगी उससे आई एम नॉट गोना बी इन पीस. then how am I going to be in peace?
Exactly. So at the realm of the mind, what works is effortlessness.
Okay.
So you cannot control the mind at the level of the mind.
Okay.
While you can handle the mind with a very simple technique which is called as the secret to handling of mind, and which is that something which is right under your nose, which is your breathing.
Breathing.
So if your mind is like a kite, the breath is like, you know, the thread,
The thread, you can control
that
it.
kite.
So through breath and through breathing exercises, we can control the mind.
You can quieten the mind.
Yes.
And that itself is meditation. Meditation is actually bringing your mind so totally in the present moment and yet being relaxed and focused.
So not thinking about the past, not thinking about the future, and just being here in awareness.
Being here right now.
Yes.
That practice, you know, if you see, our mind has a tendency to keep on vacillating. Like a pendulum of a clock, it keeps on vacillating between past, future, past.
Stress होता रहता है बहुत ज़्यादा.
और past में होते तो क्या होता है? Past में होते तो हमें पुरानी यादें याद आती है.
Yes.
हमारे अंदर क्या questions आते हैं कि उसने मेरे साथ ऐसा क्यों किया?
Exactly.
Why did this person do this
We
to me?
become a victim.
Exactly. So either you become a victim or you start blaming other people because they did
bad to
you. Second is also sometimes you start getting into that feeling of regret because you did certain mistakes.
Yes. So
Right?
forgive करना भी जरूरी है अपने आप को.
So one thing is that your mind is in the past and it is what kind of emotions are getting generated. It is generating emotions of regret. It is generating emotions of anger. It is generating moments of frustration,
sadness,
sorrow, and the next moment your mind is in the future.
Anxious, क्या होगा?
Exactly. So क्या होगा, मेरा क्या होगा, insecurity, all of those emotions start coming in.
So I agree कि हमें present moment पे रहना चाहिए, but कई बार क्या होता है, कई लोग कहते हैं कि आप future के बारे में सोचो, visualize करो, अपना पूरा future को visualize करो, goals रखो. So एक limit और एक line कहाँ पे draw करें कि goals भी रखने हैं, but anxious भी नहीं होना, like surrender वाला stage कैसे आए?
Right. So I am not at all saying that we should not learn from the past. Of course, we should learn from the past.
Okay.
We should plan for the future. But the work has to be done in present.
Practice अभी करनी पड़ेगी.
The action has to be done right now. If all the time you keep on planning for the future, how will you build it? You will build your future right now.
Right now. Exactly. और भगवद गीता में भी लिखा है आपको कर्म तो करना ही पड़ेगा ना, और कर्म आप पास्ट और फ्यूचर में जाके नहीं करोगे, आप अभी प्रेजेंट मोमेंट में करोगे.
Right, exactly.
Nice. So जैसे कि हम आपने बताया कि ब्रीदिंग के थ्रू मेडिटेशन करते हैं, क्या मंत्रा चैंटिंग के थ्रू भी you can reach a meditative state?
Yes. So see, there are various ways to achieve a meditative state. You know, and the purpose of all of this is to basically get your mind stabilized in the present moment. So either if you see certain Vedic mantras are getting chanted, when those Vedic mantras are getting chanted, they just elevate your energy. So when the energy gets elevated in the mind has the tendency to slip into meditation. If you can do some breathing techniques, and we will speak about the breathing technique, then also there is a good, there is a way to get your mind slip into meditation. Then there's another technique which is done through the Bij mantra, just like
mala japna.
I'm not talking about the japa. Japa mantra is different.
Achha.
There's something called the Bij mantra, which is called, and we teach that in Sahaj meditation. Right, where you're given a mantra which helps you, cut through the patterns of your mind, and you can deep dive into your own self and meditate. So there are various routes to attain it, but the destination is this moment.
So I have couple of questions related to meditation. Okay. So आजकल लोग ना बहुत black magic की बात करते हैं and negative powers की बात करते हैं and कहते हैं कि आपके ऊपर black magic हो गया या फिर कोई negative power आ गया है. बट मैंने कहीं पढ़ा था, जब आप मेडिटेशन करते हो, सुदर्शन क्रिया करते हो, मेडिटेशन करते हो, आपके आगे आपके सराउंडिंग में एक शील्ड बन जाती है, नो नेगेटिव पावर कैन इवन टच यू. इज इट ट्रू?
एब्सोल्युटली इट इज ट्रू.
ओके.
देखिए हम
फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सॉरी, क्या ब्लैक मैजिक और नेगेटिव एनर्जीज होती हैं?
देखो, क्या पॉजिटिव एनर्जीज होती है?
होती है.
बिल्कुल होती है ना? There are so many times that if you go for blessings, if you go and take blessings from your grandmother, your grandfather, or your guru,
Yeah.
if you believe in blessings, which is the positive energy, you're basically taking blessing of positive energy, then there are some negative energies also. But you have to understand that our core is made up of positive. For example, if you have studied physics, if you see in physics, how is that? The nucleus of everything is positive and the electron is
Negative.
on the circumference.
Yes.
Similarly, in our life also, our core is positive. If there is some negativity, it is just at the circumference level, it is at the superficial level. So even if किसी ने आपको देख के नजर लगाया, बोलते नजर लगाया, नजर लगाने का मतलब क्या है कि बोलते कि अरे वाह इसके पास इतनी अच्छी कार है, काश मेरे पास भी.
जेलस हो जाना.
जेलस हो जाना. So जेलस हो जाने से क्या कभी कभी क्या होता है कि वो नेगेटिविटी circumference पे आ सकती है. But when you keep doing some breathing exercises, that meditation, it is very easy to
get rid of it. But कई बार ना ऐसा लगता है कि प्रॉब्लम इतनी बड़ी है, कई बार लगता है कि इतनी बड़ी है वो मेडिटेशन से कैसे ठीक हो जाएगी. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अगर कई चीजों के लिए ना फिजिकल वर्ल्ड में प्रूफ है कि ठीक है हमने खाना बनाया, खाना फिजिकली हमारे सामने आ गया. मेडिटेशन से कोई प्रॉब्लम का सही होना लोग उस पर बिलीव नहीं कर पाते.
अच्छा, मैं ये समझाता हूँ. अभी देखो हम वी आर सिटिंग इन दिल्ली राइट नाउ.
यस.
हम दिल्ली से गुड़गांव अगर मंडे मॉर्निंग को जाएं तो हमें कितना टाइम लगेगा?
दिल्ली से गुड़गांव बहुत ट्रैफिक लगेगा.
Probably 1.5 to 2 hours, isn't it?
Exactly.
और वही मैं यहाँ इस जगह से दिल्ली से गुड़गांव रात के 2 बजे जाऊँ.
You leave in half an hour.
Half an hour. What is the difference?
Timings.
And why the timing? Because what is the difference on the road?
ट्रैफिक नहीं है.
ट्रैफिक नहीं है. Exactly. ऐसे ही हमारे मन में भी जब थॉट्स का ट्रैफिक बहुत ज्यादा होता है तो हम अपने गोल्स को, अपने डिसीजंस को क्लियरली देख नहीं पाते हैं. हमें वो डिसीजंस लेने के लिए, अपने गोल्स तक पहुंचने के लिए, क्लियरली देखने के लिए, इट टेक्स अस अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम एंड इट इज स्टिल हेजी.
Yes.
Because there is bombardment of thoughts.
Yes.
And when we meditate, when we do breathing exercise, what happens is all those thoughts settle down.
And the road is wide.
And the road is wide and clear. You reach your destination so quickly. And you're able to see your goals so clearly.
Exactly.
And how that manifests in the outer world? Once you start seeing your goals clearly, then you know what actions you have to take.
Exactly.
And then things start manifesting for you.
But एक और चीज बहुत अमेजिंग होती है. So जब मैंने अपनी फर्स्ट सुदर्शन क्रिया करी थी, it was a beautiful experience कि एक शांत माइंड होता है ना. आप फ्यूचर ना आप पास्ट के बारे में बस उस मोमेंट पे होते हो. बट उसके अलावा एक और मैजिकल चीज हुई थी. अगले दिन मैं जो सोच रही थी वो होने लग गया था. मतलब मैं कुछ किसी के बारे में सोचती थी वो जना मुझे कॉल कर रहे हैं. मैं कोई खाने की चीज़ के बारे में सोचती थी वो खाने की चीज़ कहीं ना कहीं घर पे आ जाती है. ऐसे कैसे होने लग जाता है कि जब हम मेडिटेट करते हैं तो हमारी रियलिटी में वो चीज़ें हमें मिलने लग जाती है.
So
आपके साथ हुआ ऐसा कभी?
Yeah, it happens from time to time. And it is an experience of a lot of people who are regular meditators, I would say.
Yes.
What happens is when you get aligned with nature, so nature helps you, isn't it? Yeah. So it's as simple as that. You're aligning your energy. Isn't everything magic? Tell me.
Absolutely.
If you look around, you see, I saw a pact of sealed prasad one day. I bought home a pact of sealed prasad. It was sealed from both the sides. And after 8 days, I suddenly see some ants inside the prasad. 15 of them, 20 of them.
Oh.
Now, where did they come from? Isn't it magic?
Yeah.
Now you tell me, if you plant a tree and suddenly, okay, you go to a coconut tree, right? Coconut trees, if you see a coconut, it is so many meters up in a coconut tree.
Yes.
Right?
The height is.
The height is so high. Now tell me, when you cut that coconut, how does that coconut have 300 ml of water inside it while it is so high up into the sky?
Oh, it's just everything is magic, but we don't pay attention to it and realize it.
Exactly. If you see, this world is full of miracles and magic,
Yeah.
and it is very beautiful.
Yeah.
But the point is, we are so caught up in our daily lives. We are so caught up in the stresses
Exactly.
and anxieties of our short-term gains,
Yeah.
that we fail to realize the magic
Bigger
that is
magic.
happening.
Yeah.
It is happening, my dear.
So बहुत सारे लोग, I agree with you, I have experience है.
Yeah.
So कई बार ये लोग ना डिप्रेशन में होते हैं या फिर कई लोगों को सुसाइडल थॉट्स आते हैं.
Yeah.
बट इफ यू सी योर फ्रेंड दे विल बी एक्टिंग नॉर्मल एक्ट कर रहे होंगे आपके सामने, आपको नहीं पता होगा वो डिप्रेशन से गो थ्रू कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
कई बार वो एंगर शो करेंगे और आपको लगेगा एंगर शो कर रहे हैं, आई डोंट वांट टू टॉक टू दैट पर्सन, बट वी डोंट रियलाइज द रूट कॉज ऑफ इट.
Yeah.
क्या मेडिटेटिव टेक्निक्स या ब्रीदिंग टेक्निक्स डिप्रेशन या सुसाइडल थॉट्स में भी हेल्प कर सकते हैं अवॉइड करने के लिए?
Yes, so a very good question. This is something that our society is facing as a huge challenge today.
Yes.
If you see WHO's data, World Health Organization's data, what they are saying is every 20 seconds somebody is committing a suicide in this world.
Exactly.
And this is just reported number. The data must be so huge,
Yes.
because a lot of these cases are unreported.
Yes.
And you will be surprised to know that every one out of those 5 suicides are happening in India.
Yeah, and majorly I think it's among the youth.
Yeah. So what we have to see is that at so many times people start thinking of themselves as useless or worthless or as failures. Yes. And they don't get that support system. So it may be because of that low self-worth that they are feeling at that point of time, low self-esteem that they are feeling at that point of time. And they might be feeling that they are no more required to anybody in this world, and they are not good, and that is why somebody might start going into these tendencies.
Yeah.
So if we can, of course, that breathing and Sudarshan Kriya really help them elevate their energy levels, drop out all the negative energy, negative tendencies, negative thoughts, and they make you burst out of this state of mind. Definitely they help. But at the second point I want to make is, all of us here today are so caught up that we don't really care about what's going on in the state of mind. What's the state of mind? What's my colleague's state of mind, or what's my friend's state of mind?
Yeah.
What's going on in his mind? What's going on in her mind?
Exactly.
Because we are just so caught up in our phones.
I have seen this. उस दिन थोड़े दिन पहले क्या हुआ, I was driving my car and there was this रिक्शा वाला, and वो रिक्शा ऐसे चला रहे हैं, उनके हाथों में फोन and ऐसे, and बाइसिकल चला रहे थे, sorry, and I was like, अपनी लाइफ का रिस्क लेके, but phone is important.
Yeah. So what is happening is that our social connections are getting eroded.
Yes.
Because we are so caught up in our digital devices. So I would say to everybody who's listening to this podcast, go and check with your friends.
Yes.
If you're not seeing a genuine smile on somebody's face, go and do a check. Just say, hey, what happened?
Yeah, how are you?
How are you? What's happening?
Yeah.
Just sit with them without an agenda. And just be with them. Just give them that support that, hey, just drop in whenever you want. If you want to speak out to me, if you just want to speak, just say it out. Give them that space that where they think that they'll be comfortable speaking out their mind.
Absolutely, because I feel कई बार ना जब आप sad होते हो, sometimes all you need is a listening ear.
Exactly. You don't need solutions.
You don't need solutions.
You need somebody to just listen to you, and that's enough to get you out of it, because you just need to get that thing out of your head.
Exactly, and then feel relaxed about it.
Yeah.
So there is another thing, जैसे कि आपने बताया कि लोग अपने आप को थोड़ा सा कम समझने लग जाते हैं, लो सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस में हो जाते हैं. अभी आई वाज वाचिंग द सीरियल्स कार्दाशियंस का, किम कार्दाशियन ने भी बोला था शी फेसेस सेल्फ सैबोटाज थॉट्स. एंड ये सेल्फ सैबोटाज थॉट्स बेसिकली होते हैं कि आप जितना भी अचीव कर लो, मेरे साथ भी हुआ है. आई एम अ TEDx स्पीकर, मैंने अराउंड 40,000 बच्चों को इम्पैक्ट करा होगा थ्रू वर्कशॉप्स, लाइक पब्लिक स्पीकिंग वर्कशॉप्स. बट कई बार लगता है कि जब भी कोई ऐसे कोई न्यू लाइक पॉडकास्ट इंटरव्यू लेना है, am I really doing it? कई बार एक पर्सन थॉट आएगी इतना ज़्यादा अचीव करने के बाद भी, और सेलिब्रिटीज को भी आती है. हाउ टू नॉट गेट इनटू दैट साइकिल एंड ऑलवेज बी इन द ट्रू नेचर.
Sometimes we get these thoughts a lot because we are comparing ourselves with others. When we are in a space of constant comparison with others, we keep on seeing, oh, this person has achieved so much, I am here only. Oh, this person has got that, I am here only. This person videos are getting million views, mine are getting thousand views only. Oh, this person has reached there, I am getting here only. So then that's, sense of self-worth starts dropping because you're constantly in that space of comparison. I would just say that from time to time you need to slow down, calm down,
Yes.
cool down. From them,
Yes.
Gurudev Sri Ravi Shankar says, in between, from time to time, you should drive your car behind a bicycle. You know what
That's
that
so
does?
important.
What that does? You slow down, and when you slow down, you know what happens? You start appreciating little joys of life. You
Exactly.
start enjoying the chirping of birds.
Yeah.
You start enjoying those bright colors that are there in front of you. You really do not need some things very huge and impactful to enjoy. Small little things can bring joy to you,
Exactly.
but it will only happen when you are stress free.
स्ट्रेस में होगे तो बिल्कुल नहीं होगा.
स्ट्रेस में होकर देखेगा ही
जैसे आप जब गोवा ट्रिप पे जाते हो और आप रिलैक्स करके बीच पे बैठे हो और आपको पूरा स्काई दिख रहा है, दैट्स लाइक अ स्ट्रेस फ्री थिंग, बट it's important that you should have that presence Goa wali feeling in your daily life
Yeah,
also.
that Goa wali feeling, that Goa wali feeling and mindset should stay 24 hours all the time.
24/7, yeah.
That may be meditation.
That may be meditation.
But only the sky gazing feeling, not the night party feeling.
Not the night party feeling, yes. Actually हमारा podcast youth के लिए, so हमें clarify करना पड़ रहा है. अच्छा, एक और चीज़ है, so I have spent a lot of time in Dubai also.
Yeah.
So I have seen, आप मुझे करेक्ट करना, आई डोंट नो इफ इट्स एवरीवेयर और नॉट, आजकल हुकअप कल्चर ना बहुत कॉमन हो गया है यूथ में, एंड इतनी ज़्यादा डेटिंग साइट्स भी आ गई है, तो उनके लिए बहुत इजीली ऑप्शंस फाइंड करना, एंड instead of love, they are more looking for sexual intercourse with a person and then move on to one person, then next, then next. It continues.
Yeah.
And at the end of the day, the person says that, yeah, I'm not happy, I'm not finding the love of my life.
Yeah.
Because I feel they're not looking for the love of their life, or they're not looking for love. So, ये भी किसी प्रकार का एडिक्शन बन गया है, and isn't it very shallow? Like, लोग कहते हैं 90s वाला प्यार बहुत अमेजिंग था और यहाँ पे हुकअप कल्चर हो रहा है. Like, what's your take on this?
Our mind always wants something new. Right?
Yeah.
While the heart always yearns for something old.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
So because if some people are stuck at the level of mind, they always want newer experiences. But as you say, वो 90s वाला प्यार,
yes,
है ना, वो था प्यार,
वो बेस्ट लव था,
वो फीलिंग था लव का. So see, actually everybody is looking for what happens, but what they are thinking is that कि ये सेक्स करके या पार्टनर चेंज करके I will attain that happiness. But end result क्या है? Everybody is basically looking for
happiness and appreciation.
When you start your journey into spirituality, when you start meditating, you then realize that you are actually made up of happiness. It is like a melody searching for sweetness outside.
Melody searching for chocolate outside.
It's like a fire asking, where is the warmth?
Yeah.
You are the warmth.
You are the happiness.
You are the sweetness. You are the happiness. But how would you find it? Just close your eyes for a few moments. Just deep dive inside, and you will find that you are a source of all of that happiness.
Yes.
Yes. So just a little bit, as I said, while I would, and Gurudev says a very beautiful thing, and that is so relevant for relationships, as you say today. Why are people not, as you said, hookup culture? Why are they not sticking to one person? Because they feel they get some pleasure with that from that person. After some time, they're not deriving that pleasure out of that person, and they think that by changing the person, that pleasure
will come again and
again. So Gurudev said a very beautiful thing. He said, नाव बदलने से तुम्हें नाव चलाना नहीं आ जाएगा.
Oh my God, this is so Divya.
right? If you don't know how to row a boat, changing the boat is not going to help.
Yes.
So you might keep on searching for happiness by changing partners, but if you do not really know to be committed with one person for
Life.
for life or for a longer amount of time, you cannot really sustain that happiness. You are still scratching pleasure at a superficial level.
Yeah, you're right about it actually.
Yeah.
और हम कई बार ब्रेकअप भी करते हैं, हमें लगता है कि इस जने में ये चीज नहीं है, maybe I can find that thing in another person and in another person, but that's not the solution.
So, see, you will never find a perfect partner.
Yeah.
Yes, you have to find perfection with an imperfect partner.
Yeah, because I think relationships हमेशा imperfect ही होती है, हर जने में कोई ना कोई flaw होता ही है,
Of course.
but it's about how you are nurturing your relationship together.
Yeah.
You know?
And it is about acceptance.
Yeah.
To accept that person the way he or she is, with their flaws, with their habits, with their tendencies. It doesn't mean that you do not make that person improve, but you accept that person the way he or she is.
Absolutely, but I would also like to add here, कई बार क्या होता है, कई लोग टॉक्सिक होते हैं,
Yeah.
और हमने सुनी होती है लाइन कि accept the person as they are. So many girls start accepting violence or wrong type of like the way the person is talking to them because they feel यार accept करना चाहिए, हर जने में flaws होते हैं. What will be your message to youth if your boyfriend, if your girlfriend is not treating you nicely and they are toxic in any way?
Yeah.
What should you do? What should be your first take? कई बार ये होता है कि they know the person is toxic, but अंदर से तो confidence नहीं आता to take a stand.
Right. Right.
What would you
See, I would say if the relationship is getting abusive, physically abusive, then you should definitely protect yourself from it. You should protect yourself from it, and you should draw a line.
Set a
Definitely
boundary.
draw a line so that you can protect your mental space. Right? Of course, that the other person needs help. They need therapy. They need some. They have to get on an art of living course to kind
They
of.
should join it,
they should get on
absolutely.
Everybody should get on it. Actually.
Yeah.
But yes, so I would say in one aspect of your life, everybody should become selfish, and that is, I say, do an MBA. What is MBA? It is Mind Bachao Andolan. To save your mind at any cost.
From negative people.
And once you're able to save your mind, of course, you'll be able to help other people. If you are so stressed, if you are so full up, already overflowing with emotional garbage,
Yes.
how would you go and help out other people?
You can never do that. अगर जैसे समझो, अगर मैं अभी पॉडकास्ट बना रही हूँ, I am from a space कि नहीं, I want to help people. मैंने अपनी लाइफ में वो सारी चीजें ओवरकम करी है कि लोगों की नहीं सुननी, अपने पैशन को फॉलो करना है, तभी वो बहुत आगे जाके स्टेज आते हैं कि नहीं, have to do it for people.
Absolutely.
Otherwise तो आप इतना सेल्फ डाउट में ही रहते हो.
Yeah.
Nice. So एक चीज ना आजकल बहुत ट्रेंड हो रही है, मैनिफेस्टेशन एंड लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन टेक्निक. गुरुजी ने, श्री श्री रविशंकर जी ने एक वीडियो में बोला था, मैनिफेस्टेशन है कि आप सोचो, आप एक संकल्प रखो एंड उसे सरेंडर कर दो. कई लोग कहते हैं कि हर दिन विजुलाइज करो, हर दिन बोलो कि मैं अचीव करूँ. एंड ही सेड कि उन्होंने अच्छा सा एग्जांपल दिया था, अगर मेरे घर के नीचे मेरे पास क्रेटा है, मैं ये तो नहीं बोलूंगी ना हर दिन कि मेरे पास क्रेटा है. सो आप इस पे थोड़ा सा एक्सपैंड करो कि संकल्प लेना क्या होता है, फिर सरेंडर करना क्या होता है.
Yeah. See, it is as you are planting a seed, right? Once you plant a seed for something, do you keep on digging and checking every day कि वो seed कितना बड़ा हुआ?
नहीं, we don't.
नहीं, right?
नहीं.
You start nurturing it.
Yes.
You nurture that seed, you water it, you give it sunlight, and then you give it time for it to grow.
Yeah.
And it grows.
Yeah.
That is exactly how Sankalpa works. So Gurudev has a very beautiful knowledge sheet on this which says intention, attention, and manifestation.
Oh.
So what that means is, first you put in an intention. An intention and just surrender that intention. So that is why if you see in a lot of Vedic pujas also, what happens is initially a sankalpa is taken that okay, this is my intention, this is my desire,
Yeah.
and then you surrender that desire to the divine, become free and sit in the puja becoming full. Right? Because otherwise that desire won't really allow you to enjoy the puja. You will not be able to
Yes.
meditate in the puja because the desire will keep on moving inside your head.
Yeah.
But the important part post that is just don't keep thinking about it. Nothing is going to happen if you're just
Yeah.
thinking about it. You have to put attention to it. Basically, you have to work for it.
Action करना पड़ेगा, action लेना
Yes,
पड़ेगा.
you have to put attention. You will have to work for it, do some hard work for it, and then the manifestation will happen.
So, Sandeep Bhaiya, you're a corporate titan, okay? And you have also been recognized by LinkedIn as top development voice. And you're also director at PKC Advisory, like top corporate. And you keep on traveling across the world. And you're an art of living teacher too. And your workshops has impacted lakhs of young people. इतनी सारी चीजें आप कैसे कर पा रहे हो?
You know, the secret to that is what we were speaking before: meditation.
Meditation. Yeah.
So what happens is that when you are able to, when you meditate regularly, and when you are able to quieten the mind on a regular basis,
Yeah.
you really increase its capacity.
Yes.
Yes. So it is like as if you have a bow and an arrow.
Yeah.
If you really want the arrow to go far off,
Yeah.
but you have to pull it behind first, isn't it?
Yes.
So resting and switching off from time to time is like pulling the arrow behind,
Yeah.
and then the arrow goes fast.
Fast.
Or the other way to understand is that if, say for example, if you have a blunt knife and you want to cut an apple with a blunt knife, and you are just attempting to cut an apple with a blunt knife, and the apple doesn't get cut properly, and at the same time you take too much of time,
Yeah.
and you get an illusion that I am so busy.
Busy being busy.
I am so busy. But if you take some time off to sharpen that knife,
Yeah.
and then you cut an apple, it just gets cut in a second or two. But you have to take some time off to go from a blunt knife to a sharpened knife.
Exactly.
And Art of Living course is just taking that time off to sharpen that your knife. And when you go back into the world, you are much more sharper. You have more productivity.
Yes.
You have more confidence. You have more focus. You have more clarity of mind. You have better communication skills. And at the same time, internally you are exuberant and you are happy from inside.
Yeah. So I have also experienced it. So मैंने आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग का कोर्स 11 years पहले किया था, and so मैं हर दिन सुदर्शन क्रिया करती हूँ, मैंने कभी मिस नहीं करी. And so अभी अपनी लाइफ में मैं पॉडकास्टिंग भी कर रही हूँ, रियल एस्टेट भी कर रही हूँ, स्टे इन इंडिया, दुबई. एंड लिटरली आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग इज द रीजन फॉर दैट, क्योंकि मेडिटेशन सिर्फ आपको फोकस नहीं करता, वो आपको एक और चीज के लिए अलाउ करता है कि आप लोगों के आउटसाइड वॉइस से फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता. लाइक आई हैव सीन माय फ्रेंड्स गेटिंग सैड अबाउट, यार इसने मेरी फोटो पे कमेंट नहीं करा, एंड आई एम हियर टॉकिंग टू अ वेरी बिग कॉर्पोरेट. आई एम लाइक, हाउ डज इट इवन मैटर? यूज दैट टाइम टू डू समथिंग बिग, समथिंग प्रोडक्टिव. तो जितना टाइम आप परेशान हो रहे हो, छोटी छोटी चीजों में वरी कर रहे हो, utilize that time to do something big in your life. And I feel एक और जब आपके माइंड में स्ट्रेस होता है ना, जब आप सर्व करते हो, लाइक हम आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग में तो वॉलंटियर करते थे, आपका स्ट्रेस खत्म ही हो जाता है उस समय. क्योंकि कई बार दो चीजें होती है. आई गेस यू रियलाइज कि देयर आर पीपल हु आर सफरिंग, जिनकी प्रॉब्लम्स बहुत ज्यादा है, एंड यू फील वेरी हैप्पी व्हेन यू वॉलंटियर एंड यू गिव टू पीपल.
You know, this reminds me of one thing. Why does sadness come in? Or when you start feeling more depressed, when you just keep thinking about this question inside your mind that what about me? What will happen to me? What about me? What about me? What about me? Now, what about me can include what about my career? What about my relationship?
My life,
my family, my finances, my health, my loans. But the basic question behind that sad and low feeling is, what will happen to me? What about me in the future?
Exactly.
If you can just tweak this question, as you said about service,
yes,
that from what about me to what can I do for you?
From me to we, like us.
Yeah, and what can I do?
Yeah.
Rather than thinking about what will happen to me, I go to this space of what can I do for you?
Exactly.
Every time, just think about how can I contribute to your life? What can I do for you? Suddenly, you start feeling you get that feeling, you move from uselessness to usefulness,
Yeah.
and you have that smile that
On your
automatically
face.
comes.
Yes.
So whenever you are feeling low, whenever you are feeling depressed, just go out and serve anybody.
Yeah, your maids, your anybody, like
Anybody, your
just
family members,
friends,
go
yeah.
out down, friends, go and do something for the other person,
Yes.
and it will just change.
To all the people out there, अगर आपको थोड़ी सी भी sadness हो रही है ना, try this technique. It's not just a video right now, but आप अभी भी जाके just call your parents, call anybody, your friend, and do an act of service because ये बहुत ही impactful होती है. Right? So मैंने जब अपना DSN कोर्स किया था ना, oh God, DSN कोर्स में एक चीज थी कि वो आपको सिखाते हैं कि आप आउट ऑफ कंफर्ट अपने कंफर्ट जोन से निकलो. एंड आपकी लाइफ में से कौन सा इंसिडेंट हुआ जब आपने अपना फर्स्ट DSN कोर्स किया होगा कि आप अपने कंफर्ट जोन से निकले होगे?
DSN is a course that really shatters your boundaries.
Yes.
But it is a course that helps you expand your dreams. Sometimes we have dreams in our life, but we don't really have that confidence to achieve those dreams.
Yeah.
Because we are bogged down by our boundaries. There are so many boundaries, there are so many crutches that we are carrying that we really don't think we'll be able to achieve those dreams.
Yeah.
So what DSN does is it just thrashes all those boundaries.
Yeah.
It just and makes you like a warrior. Warrior to it gets you to that feeling that impossible is actually nothing, and you can actually sky is the limit.
Exactly.
And when you come out of that DSN, it's a tough course.
Yeah, it's not easy.
It's a tough course.
Yeah.
But when you come out of that course, your personality is blooming with confidence. There's so much confidence, there's so much joy, there's so much enthusiasm inside you, there's so much energy for the society. And whatever you start dreaming, then start dreaming big.
Yes.
Yeah, there's so many people who have done the DSN and they're doing so well in their career. They've taken up some amazing projects for the society, for the country. And all of them, it just changes the direction of your life.
Absolutely. Yeah. I totally agree with that. So let's talk about Shri Ravi Shankar ji a little bit. So कई बार ये लोग कहते हैं गुरु. आजकल बहुत लोगों ने गलत इंप्रेशन और मिसयूज भी करा जा रहा है इस गुरु वर्ड को. एंड who is a guru, who is a mentor, and एक गुरु का होना क्यों जरूरी होता है हमारी लाइफ में?
Just like to learn any skill, you need a teacher. Right? To learn a guitar, you need a teacher.
Yeah.
To learn football, you need a coach.
Yes.
To learn engineering, to be good at engineering. I'm not talking about those people who just go into engineering and come out of it. If you really want to learn any skill in life, you need a teacher.
Yeah.
And the guru is just that. Similarly, with your life's problems, life's challenges, you really do not know what life is going to throw it onto you.
Yeah.
So you need a coach.
Exactly.
A guru is like a coach for life.
A life coach.
A life coach, basically. Yeah. A life coach might sound a bit superficial, but a guru is like, he's at the pinnacle of life coaching.
Yes.
And he kind of handholds you from time to time on how to go through life's challenges. And win over these challenges and yet remain untouched
and have a happy life.
And have a happy life.
Because that's the end goal of every conversation, everything.
Absolutely. And I would definitely say in our culture, in Indian culture, there's a lot of importance
given to guru.
Given to a guru.
Yes.
And as soon as it is said, whenever you have a guru in life, 5 things automatically start happening. Like, for no reason you'll start feeling happy.
Yeah, and wishes पूरी होने लग जाती है बहुत जल्दी.
Second, all your sorrows fade away. Third, abundance dawns in your life.
Yes.
Before you want it, things start happening.
Yeah, it happens.
As you said.
Yeah.
Fourth, you have that confidence all the time that you can achieve anything, and there is somebody
behind your back.
है ना, जैसे बोलते हैं तुम जानते नहीं कि मेरा
पापा कौन है? Yes.
And fifth thing is your talents start manifesting.
Hmm.
You would have never imagined that you would have this talent or that talent, or you would go into this, and those
Right.
talents start manifesting after.
You're absolutely right about it. So when I became Sri Sri Sanskar Kendra की teacher ना, I had organized an event जहाँ पे I was doing anchoring.
Yeah.
And I was like, मैं ये कर सकती हूँ 100 लोगों का, इतने सारे बच्चों का event organize करना. So I think वो hidden talents दिखने लग जाते हैं.
Yes, hidden talents start coming up.
So important to have a guru.
Yeah.
So Sri Sri Ravi Shankar जी इस बहुत लोगों ने उनके बारे में सिर्फ मेडिटेशन से रिलेटेड चीज़ें सुनी होंगी, स्पिरिचुअलिटी से सुनी होंगी, बट एक्चुअली आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग इट्स अ ह्यूज ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. इट्स प्रेजेंट इन मोर देन 120 प्लस कंट्रीज. एट द सेम टाइम उन्होंने ह्यूमैनिटेरियन वर्क भी
186 countries.
186 कंट्रीज, एंड उन्होंने इतना सारा ह्यूमैनिटेरियन वर्क करा है गुरुजी ने. एट द सेम टाइम ही प्लेड अ मेजर रोल इन अयोध्या. सो कुड यू एलैबोरेट ऑन दैट? क्या रोल था गुरुजी का, श्री श्री रविशंकर जी का, in resolving the entire conflict?
Yeah. So, he played, sometimes there are, we have seen that movie called The Dark Knight,
Yeah.
He's a silent secret savior. Yeah.
Oh.
So Gurudev was like, I would not call him the Dark Knight, I will call him the White Knight.
The White Knight.
White Knight or the Bright Knight. Yeah. So if you see, he has been very instrumental in resolving this conflict, which was 500 years old. From the last 20 years, he was mediating this conflict.
Really?
He was speaking to so many parties from the Hindu side. He was speaking to so many parties from the Muslim side. And he's that one voice, that both the sides respect a lot.
Wow.
Because even from the Muslim side, even from the Hindu side, they see him as somebody who is a cause for humanity.
Exactly.
He's somebody who would favor humanity, who would want peace at both sides. He would not want
Exactly.
violence for anybody.
Yes.
And until recently, towards the end of this conflict, where Supreme Court appointed him as an official mediator
Wow.
to resolve this conflict,
That's wow.
and he spoke to all of these all the parties from both the sides and got them together. In fact, the resolution which was eventually proposed by the Supreme Court is the exact same resolution what Gurudev had given many years ago when he had started the mediation between both the parties. It is exactly the same solution.
Yes.
And if you see, once the resolution was given,
yeah.
there was absolutely no violence.
Exactly. People were expecting something. There were बहुत सारे न्यूज़ चैनल में चल रहा था कुछ होगा, but it was so peaceful.
It was so peaceful. Why? Because he had already mediated so well between both the parties that everybody had agreed to the solution.
What he had proposed, because India is a secular country and we should respect every religion.
Yes.
And he was not biased or favoring any particular religion or any other side, because at the end of the day, he is valuing humanity and every single human being and their culture and their religion.
Agree.
Right?
And that is why Muslims, Muslims and Hindus both respected him and both respected his point of view also. Basically, he was the thread that held both, all the beads together and did not allow it to wither away when...
and now we have the temple.
And now we have the beautiful Ram temple. And of course, there's also a masjid coming up.
Yes, coming soon.
A beautiful masjid which will come soon, some kilometers away.
Yeah.
So it is a win-win. It is a win-win for both the communities.
Absolutely. And it propagates also that India is a secular country and we should respect both the religions.
Absolutely.
Great.
And this is just one of the things. If you see, Art of Living has rejuvenated now more than 60 rivers across the country. Now, if you see, what they're talking about is the next war is going to be because of the water crisis.
Exactly.
And you've already started seeing it. Bangalore went without water. Shimla went without water.
Yes.
There was dearth of drinking water.
Yeah.
And now there are videos you see on Instagram of to start saving every drop of water.
Exactly.
And our rivers were drying up.
Yeah.
Can you imagine so many years back, a visionary like Gurudev, he had he had put our volunteers on the task of rejuvenating rivers because he had anticipated that the problem of water
It's
is
gonna
going to impact the world. And that's how Art of Living has now rejuvenated 60 plus rivers already, which has already impacted crores of people across the country.
Yeah.
And they don't even, people don't even really know.
Yeah, they don't know about it.
Yeah. So,
That's wonderful. It was wonderful to have such conversation, but let's play a fun game right now.
absolutely.
So we have prepared a game. It's basically called as a red, green flag and a beige flag game.
Okay.
So क्या होता है आजकल ना बहुत ट्रेंड में है कि it's whether that person is a red flag or a green flag or a beige flag.
Oh.
Red flag का मतलब होता है कि बहुत बुरा है, it's not right. Green flag का मतलब होता है कि it's right, and beige flag का मतलब होता है it's okay, it's neither right nor wrong.
Oh.
Okay, so let's play this game.
Yes.
अच्छा मेरा क्वेश्चन तो नहीं हो
Yeah.
So अगर for example if I am asking a question and you feel it's a red flag, so you will pick the red flag.
Yeah. Okay.
And maybe share your opinion.
Okay.
And I'll also do the same. Why I feel it's a red flag and why I feel it's a green flag.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get started.
Okay.
Cool. Okay. So the first question is obviously it's going to be related to meditation and spirituality.
Yeah.
अगर आप में से किसी को कुछ ऐड करना होगा तो आप ऐड कर सकते हो. ठीक है. Okay. So जब कोई जना spiritual journey या meditation में जा रहा है, being like going for celibacy is good or not? I think it's good. It's their personal choice.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I said it doesn't really matter that much. And what I'm saying is it's not a criteria for somebody to get into spirituality or meditation.
Yes.
Yes, they can enjoy the pleasures of the world.
Yeah.
And in fact, meditation will help you enjoy the pleasure of the world more.
Oh,
Yeah.
cool.
It's okay.
So if someone is into alcohol and meditating, like रात को 3 o'clock तक drink कर रहा है और सुबह 5 o'clock से दर्शन क्रिया कर रहा है, because they want to be high on life.
Yeah.
Okay, so my take is it's a red flag because I feel कि ठीक है, you can have alcohol but not just mixing everything together.
Yeah. So again, I'll go with this.
Beige flag.
Beige flag. Because, I would say if we start discarding people because of their habits, then how would we lead them to a better quality of life?
Exactly.
Yes.
Yeah.
So in Art of Living, everybody is welcome. But yes, from an education point of view, if you want to really enhance your experience of meditation, then if you can restrain yourself from alcohol and all of these things,
Sometimes.
just for, then the experience of meditation would be much more better. You will be able to enjoy it more. It is like you have a pot and you are putting in some water from the top, but if you're into addictions, it is as if you made holes at the bottom.
Oh, it's gonna.
It will not
Hold
stay.
it. Yeah, it will not stay.
Hold that grace. It will not hold that blessing.
Yeah.
But it will still come.
Yeah. It will keep
So it is not as if.
It's not a mandatory thing.
It's not a mandatory thing, and I would just like to add here that every person has his or her own habits. Yes, we shouldn't really brand somebody as bad or good because of their habits. We can definitely say the habits can keep on improving with time, and once they start practicing meditation and Sudarshan Kriya, they get a better high.
Yeah.
So when you start getting a better high, why would you go for a lower high? It is like as if you have Bose sound system at home and you are still saying that मेरे को 2-in-1 पे सुनने में मजा आता है. It is being stupid.
Absolutely.
Right.
And you can only realize that once you meditate.
Yeah.
इफ यू हैव नॉट मेडिटेटेड आपको नहीं समझ आएगा. सो जब मैं लंदन में थी ना 1 ईयर तक मैंने कुछ ड्रिंक नहीं करा एंड वहाँ पे तो कल्चर ही था कि आप आ रहे हो और आप ड्रिंक कर रहे हो. सो आई वाज हैविंग कोका कोला एक बार एंड दे वर लाइक इज दिस योर लाइक स्टार्टर. मैंने कहा नो आई डोंट ड्रिंक.
Yeah.
देन द अदर पर्सन देन मैंने गुरुजी की क्लाइंट पढ़ी थी. गुरुजी भी जब कोई इवेंट पे जाते हैं टॉप इवेंट में भी he carries a glass of water and he has it. And I used to tell my friends I'm high on life. And they couldn't understand it.
Yeah, absolutely.
But meditation करके आपको समझ आएगा कि किस टाइप का हाई होता है.
Correct.
Okay. So promoting a vegetarian diet, is it essential for a spiritual journey?
It is, again, I would say the same thing. Yeah. If you want an enhanced experience,
Then it's important.
then it is good if you stick to vegetarian
Okay.
diet.
Yeah.
But to get into learning meditation, it is not a prerequisite. But if you are taking a vegetarian diet, it just enhances your
Enhances
experience
your
to the next level. Now, if you go on Google and search the benefits of vegetarian diet, you will get thousands
It's
of
humongous,
reasons.
yes.
And the
Okay.
world is going vegetarian right now.
Yes. Because मैंने एक वीडियो देखी थी कि जिसमें नॉन वेजिटेरियन फूड जब लाइक उसे कट कर रहे होते हैं एंड द इमोशंस दैट इज इन द पर्टिकुलर एनिमल वो आपके अंदर भी वो इमोशंस आने लग जाते हैं.
This is a well researched thing. Sometimes you get those unwanted fears, anger, frustration related emotions. Sometimes because they are passed on through the food cycle into your system. Yes, and they start impacting you. So it is a scientific thing these days.
Everybody has proof. People are going vegan also.
Everybody has enough research to show it is already proven that vegetarianism is a more sustainable way of life.
Yes. Okay, a person doing Sudarshan Kriya or any meditation once in a week or once in a month or once in a year or doing it regularly.
Any day doing
A
it
green
regularly
flag
every day.
When a person is doing it every day.
Green flag.
Because उसका अलग impact होता है.
Of course.
Okay.
If you just say doing it regularly can be anything. Regularly once every year, regularly once every month. So we are saying regularly every day.
Every day.
It has a different impact. It hits you differently it becomes a part of your life.
Okay, so ये मेरे से मम्मा ने भी पहले क्वेश्चन पूछा था. A person who is into meditation yet being very angry and shouting all the time.
Yeah.
What do you think? Which flag is it?
Which flag is it? All the time, I would say once they start doing meditation, it is not as if anger will go away.
Yeah.
But you will definitely see a difference in the duration of that emotion staying.
Oh.
So अगर वो anger का duration 1 घंटे तक रहता था पहले, if you are into breathing meditation, it will just stay for 5 minutes. After some time, it will just stay for 1 minute or 2 minutes. So that duration will keep on.
So someone is doing meditation when उन्होंने बहुत सारा खाना खाया है, pizza, burger and everything, and then they are doing the meditation
They'll
immediately.
sleep.
अच्छा, और कई लोग फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेरे साथ ऐसा होता है जब हम कोई बहुत डीप मेडिटेशन कर रहे होते हैं तो आपको नींद आ जाती है. सुदर्शन क्रिया करते हुए भी कई बार नींद आ जाती है.
So see, all of these meditation techniques, they heal your entire system. They heal your body, they heal your mind. If your body is not well rested, it will first heal the body. So and then go to different levels of your consciousness. There are 7 levels, if you know.
Chakras.
Body. No, the 7 levels, body, breath, mind, intellect, memory, ego, and self. So all of those levels, they get healed when you do the Sudarshan Kriya. So Sudarshan Kriya, if you see, is a rhythmic breathing technique. So the fundamental behind that is, the breath and emotions are connected.
Yes.
So what happens if you see when you feel angry?
Yeah.
What happens? How is your breathing?
It's very fast.
It's very fast and quick and very, irregular kind of thing. And what happens when you are sad or you have had a breakup? How is the breath?
It's almost similar.
It is shallow.
Shallow.
Right? Lying down, getting
lethargic, very tamasic.
Yeah. Very. So it's not. It is very shallow. You have to feel your breath.
Yeah.
And what happens when you go out for a holiday, say on a mountain top?
It
is deep and long, isn't it?
Yeah.
So if you see, with every emotion, the breathing pattern is changing.
Yes.
And that is the fundamental behind Sudarshan Kriya. Why? The opposite is also true. What? When we change the rhythm of the breath, we are able to handle our emotions.
Yes.
And that is why with this beautiful rhythmic breathing technique, millions across the world have benefited now from big top personalities in Bollywood, in Hollywood. Sports stars are practicing that.
A lot of
A
celebrities
lot of
also
celebrities are practicing it, and everybody
should practice it.
yeah,
जैसे हमने इस conversation को start ऐसे करा था, the secret lies just in breath, right?
just beneath your nose.
Beneath your nose. So it was wonderful to have this conversation with you, Sandeep bhai, and I'm sure ये podcast बहुत सारे लोगों को benefit करेगा. Thank you so much for being a part of this. And to all the people out there, do subscribe to our channel and also check out Sandeep Bhaiya ke handles. And I strongly recommend do an Art of Living course or try any kind of meditation because it is going to transform your life.
Yeah, just one word of warning: don't start from YouTube.
Don't
Learn
start
it with
yeah.
a teacher. Yeah.
Yeah, जैसे संदीप भैया ने बताया ना कि अगर आप like you always need a guru. अगर आपके दांत में प्रॉब्लम है आप डेंटिस्ट के पास जाओगे ना, आप रोड साइड तो नहीं किसी के पास चले जाओगे. So it's very important to reach out to the right mentor.
Right. teacher.
I feel YouTube में बहुत सारी wrong content है जो आपको सही तरीके से नहीं लेके जाएगा and it can have a negative impact on you also.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you so much,
Thank
everybody,
you,
for joining
Megha.
us.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Lovely being here and talking to you.
Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev.